So if you have a zero turn lawnmower like I do and you want to keep it covered, especially when you store it outdoors, I mean, this is a great cover. The seller did send this to me so I could go ahead and show you all the features and just show you how well it fits. So when you do receive it, it does come in a little storage bag right here. It's all zippered. So that way, if you're not using this and you want to go ahead and just store it in here, that's not a problem whatsoever. Now the cover itself, of course, this is a 42-inch lawnmower. This is going to fit it just fine. I just want to show you the close-ups of it, the fabric and all that before I actually go ahead and put it on here. But it's nicely stitched here. Of course, this is all waterproof. I live in Texas and we get a lot of wind and storms, especially right now as I'm filming. This is the springtime and we're about to have a storm today. So I want to make sure this is all covered and protected. We do have these buckles. I'm going to put these around the wheels. I do have 4 buckles, 1 for each wheel. And then we have a drawstring. Real easy to use. That way we can go ahead and get it just really nice and tight. That way the wind's not going to get up underneath it and kind of lift it up. So let me go ahead and put it on, and that'll give you an idea of how well it's going to fit on your lawnmower. So I've got the cover on here and it covers it fantastic. It's plenty size for me to cover all the edges and keep it nice and snug to keep the water out and the wind out. I could definitely go with a much larger lawnmower too, but this 42-inch works fantastic. Let me go ahead and I'm going to show you how I go ahead and put the straps around the wheels to make sure that it's nice and secure, especially during bad weather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these straps right here and put it around the bottom of the wheel. And you can see here, we can adjust it. The webbing's really nice and thick, and so is the snap itself, nice ABS plastic. One thing I didn't show you is that on the bottom side of this, the inside of the cover, it's all coated here. Make sure water does not get inside at all. And you can see here too some of the stitching. I mean, it looks really good here. So when I got it snapped around the wheel, I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it, get it really nice and snug, and then just go ahead and cover it up. I'm real happy with this cover. It's a great size. It definitely covers my lawnmower without any problems. It's going to keep the tree sap off, the wind, and even the heavy rains from getting onto my lawnmower, and just keep it nice and ready for when I'm ready to use it. I just pull the cover off and I'm ready to go. Hope you found this review helpful.